Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I present a poem describing Himavat Gopalaswamy temple and the surroundings. Poem is like this. मैसूरु देशस्य किरीटतुल्यः बल्लालनिर्माणशिलाविशेषः गोपालदेवस्य बृहन्निवासः हेमन्तमासे तुषारयुक्तः. Meaning of this poem is Mysuru Deshasya Kirita Tulyaha. Kirita means crown. Tulyaha is comparable. Mysuru Desha. Desha is place or area. So this is comparable to the crown of Mysuru area. And what it is? It is Ballala Nirmana Shila Visheshaha. This is constructed by Ballala Deva of Hoysala kingdom, and Shila Visheshaha, stone specialty. It's a stone temple constructed by Ballala king, which appears as if it's a crown to Mysore area. And this is Gopala Devasya Brihannivasaha. This is a big house of Gopala Deva, Lord Krishna. In today's date, this temple belongs to Chamarajnagar district, and it is in middle of Bandipur wild forest area, the sanctuary area. But it is close by to Mysore, and hence I took it as Mysuru Deshasya Kiritatulyah. And when we read about this temple, what we come to know is even Mysuru Odayars showed great love, great respect to this temple, and they maintained it throughout. And finally, Hemantamase Tushara Yuktaha. Tushara means snow. Hemantamasa is winter season, somewhere around January, February months. And this area, this hill is always foggy throughout the year, and hence they say it is Himavat. And this is the only place in Karnataka where we kind of see snow formation. It is throughout the year it is foggy, it is covered with dense fog, and in winter, of course, no question about it, there is lot of fog, and it appears as if it is snowing. And hence Hemantamase Tusharayukta, it contains snow in winter. This poem is written in the meter Indra Vajra. Please refer to the description of this video for more details about this meter.